Lost childhood memories can be restored using light. For many of us, it is difficult to remember much of what went on before the age of 2, but a new study from Trinity College Dublin has found that this memory loss might be preventable and reversible with light. Infantile amnesia is the most ubiquitous form of forgetting. As a society, we assume infant forgetting is an unavoidable fact of life, so we pay little attention to it. By inducing inflammation in pregnant mice, the researchers were able to produce a group of newborns with altered brain development that were protected against this early life memory loss. Inflammatory responses like this during pregnancy are known to contribute to autism development in both humans and mice, so their results suggest that, at least in mice, autism-like brain states can effectively safeguard against childhood amnesia. We have found for the first time that in mouse models of autism, infantile amnesia does not happen. The autism-induced mice retain infant memories into later life for a range of behavioral experiences. Future work will determine whether this is also the case in humans. The team also found that the biological basis of these early life memories, also known as engrams, could be reactivated using light, even in mice without this autism-like brain state. This study shows firstly that infant engrams do not disappear, but are retained in the brain in a latent state right through into adulthood. Using light to stimulate neurons in the infant engrams in adult mice results in retrieval of the target memories. Our hope is that these findings will be useful not only for understanding basic questions of memory encoding and expression in everyday life, but also may be valuable for understanding what is happening in pathological forgetting, such as Alzheimer's disease. Follow AID for more fascinating news and updates. Thanks.